And I'm live, hopefully. Am I live? And I'm live! Perfect. Live. The song has just been like stuck in my head for a while, so I just want to do it just. The path of hate leaves a dangerous track. You take one step and it's hard to turn back. It pulls you along, and though it seems wrong, it feels right. Don't you see this path you're on leaves a permanent mark? It feels good at first, then it slowly turns dark. With each passing day, you're further astray from the light. Suddenly, you'll lose your tray and lose the thread. Lose your cool and lose your head. Every loss is harder to excuse. Then you'll see you'll lose your cool and lose your soul, till you'll lose complete control and realize there's nothing left to lose. Nothing left to lose. Cass, trust me, becoming the villain isn't the answer. The path I'm on is a path paved in black. I'm taking that road and I'm not looking back. Each twist and each turn leads straight where I'm yearning to go. Yes, it's true, my path is dark, but I see where it ends. My rivals will fall as my power ascends. Despise me, that's fine, you're taking what's mine, even so. Not like you lost the nerve, you've lost the game. You and I were not the same. I'm not lost, this fate was mine to choose. So I chose to lose my doubt and lose my chains. Lose the weakness that remains. Now that I have nothing left to lose. Nothing left to lose. I have so much to hold on to, I only want my rightful dues. Listen, please, you lost your grip and lost your mind. All's not lost, don't be so blind. Cut your losses, drop the IOUs. Lose no wings and lose no sleep. What I want, I'll take and keep. You can't stop turning on the screws. Ah, God, I love that song. Da 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 da. Wow. Do, 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 do. I have nothing left to lose. And now I'm going to be prepped for Advent Decode. I've gotten the spirit in me all hyped up and feeling amped. Oh, nope. And feeling all excited for Advent Decode now. I've got everything that I would want here. I'm going to have split the entries in column 0, delimited by a variable delim, which holds value space. From Ugh. Okay. We're so hyped, dude. I'm feeling fucking great today. Oh, that's such a good way of doing it. Cool. Neat. This is a great way of doing that. I'm so happy that that's how that there's a way to do it like that. Okay, so I'm feeling hype. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling amped. Feels just great in general. And realize there's nothing left to lose. God, I am just. Okay, 50 seconds. Put a damn shirt on. No, fuck off. I don't. I'm not gonna wear clothes in my own home if I don't have to. Damn it. If I don't want to put on clothes, I'm not gonna fucking put on clothes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Okay. Okay. Cool. And then I tell you this. Whoops. Okay. Whoa. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So how much input do I actually have? Oh god. Okay. $4.99. So 500. What? Weird. Okay. Um. Ah. What? Oh. The row. Entry 1. Entry 0. Fuck. Fuck, I don't want the last 2 digits. I want the length minus 2. Fuck, no. Why is that a thing? I don't want the last 3. I don't want the last 3. That's not what I fucking want. Give me the goddamn fucking... Dude, are you kidding me? Come on. It's just P equals fucking 4. Just give me the fucking... What? Are you kidding me? Why is it doing this? God, I hate this so much. Okay. And then... Int. Nope. Int of that. Now we have int of this. And then data I01 equals int 1. Okay, there we go. Okay, now I can actually process the fucking question. My historians used to use the bathroom. Fortunately, you know there's a bathroom near unvisited location on their list, so you're all quickly teleported directly to the lobby of Eastern Buddy headquarters. The Eastern Buddy headquarters seem to have improved bathroom security again after your last visit. The area outside the bathroom is swarming with robots. Historians say the bathroom you need a way to predict where the robots will be in the future, which they seem to be moving in the four predictable straight lines. You make a list of all the robots' current positions and velocities. 1 robot per line. For example, each robot's position is given as P equals X, Y, where X represents the number of tiles the robot is from the left wall, and Y represents the number of tiles from the top wall when viewed from above. So the position of P00 means the robot's all the way in the top left corner. Each robot's velocity is given as VXY, where X and Y are given in tiles per second. Positive X means the robot is moving to the right, and positive Y means the robot is moving down. So velocity of V1, 2 means that each second the robot moves 1 tile to the right and 2 tiles up. Yep. The robots outside the actual bathroom are in a space which is 101 tiles wide and 103 tiles tall from above. Yeah. This example, the robots are in a space that's only 11 by 7. Okay, yeah. The robots are good at navigating over under each other through a combination of springs, extendable legs, and quadcopters, so they can share the same tile and don't interact with each other. Visually, the number of robots in each tile, this example, looks like this. These robots have a unique feature for bathroom security. They can teleport. A robot would run into the edge of a space they're in. They instead have to teleport to the other side, effectively wrapping around the edge. Here's what robot does for the first few seconds. Story can't be much longer. You don't have to spin robots for long. Where will the robots be after 100 seconds? Okay. For I in range 100. For J in range len data, data J 0 plus equals data 1 0. 0 1 1 0 Mod 103. Saves area, count the number of robots in each quadrant after 100 seconds. Robots that are exactly in the middle don't have to be in any quadrant, so the only relevant robots are that. The example of the quadrants contain that many. This is a safety factor of 12. Take the motion of the robots on your list within a space which is 101 times. What was the safety effective because 100 seconds have elapsed? For I in range length data. Val equals 0 if data j 0 0 is greater than 101 or greater than, well, 50 is the halfway point. 50 below and 50 below and 50 above. Yeah, cool. Yep. Then one, val plus equals 1. And then balls. Whoops, not J, it should be I. I fucked that up. Whoops. Oh. That's what I need to do. The right answer. Uh-oh. Okay. Is this correct? If it's greater than 50. Hmm. Okay. So it's actually does not equal 50 and is greater than 51. Does not equal 51 and is greater than 52. Because then you have 51 on the side. Wait. Wait a second. Okay, wait. So I need... Oh. Okay. if data I00 equals 50 or data I01 equals 51, then continue. Else. I know I don't actually need to put an else here, but good practice. Okay. That's gonna be correct. I'm pretty sure. I feel way more confident about this one. Yep, right answer. Yep, I missed the fucking middle. What's the fewest number of seconds left for the robots to display the Easter egg? During the vacuum break, someone noticed that the robots seem often smaller than ones built. If they're the same type of robots, should have a hard-coded Easter egg. Very rarely, most robots should arrange themselves in the picture of a Christmas tree. Huh. That's fucked. Well, you only need a maximum of like 10,000. So if I do pause equals oh geez. I can do it like that. Let's see if this works. Okay. I'm going to put this into a new notepad, and I'm going to zoom really far out and see if I can do that. The problem is I just don't know how many thousands it could be, because I've got no idea how we can turn this into a picture of a Christmas tree. Whoa. '81 seems interesting. Good old visual analysis. '60 and '81 were interesting for opposite reasons. PC is not happy right now. And I want to look at font. I want to choose a font that's Studio Code. Cool. You know what? I know that it loops after at most 100,000, but it could loop before that. Here, I guess. Um, I don't know what to fucking do. Um, okay, now it's thinking. Have people already solved it today? How people would have solved. I guess it's just AI, right? Yeah. Alex Steele. Wait, Alex Steele competes? Is the Alex Steele I think it is? No, probably isn't. Justin Zhang? Yeah. I respect. Oh, 07 fauna indeed. And I don't have it in my fucking paste anymore. But I do have my something else here. I'm actually need to save that. That's annoying. Okay, I'll save that. Oh, there we go. It's working. Okay. So it's all loaded in RAM right now. Yeah, so 62 has something going on with it. 62 and 81. I see the shape, kind of. Oh. 62, 81, 165. Horizontal again. 182. So it's every 101, the verticals improve, and every 103, the horizontals improve. So when do they line up? Okay, that's what this is. This is a visual thing, right? So 61 plus 104H. Wait, is it 165 or 164? It's only 165. Okay, so then was it 61 all the way up here or 62? It was 62. Okay, that's what it is. So it's plus 103H equals 81 plus 101X. So after 1092, 1091. Oh, maybe it's X minus 1. It should be X. Oh, maybe it has to be one more over because it's. Oh, they're one off here. They're one off? That's 1092 and 1091. So I'm assuming if I do another 100 show, it should just be a little bit below here, right? Whoop. You're sure 1200 if I'm correct. Any minute now. Oh? It's getting close. 1192. Oh, it's earlier. It's in the late 900s. Yeah, because they're opposite parity. Oh, it's 62. Yeah. So what I have is I know that it happens on 62, happens on 165. The problem is that they're on opposite parity. Is there ever a place where that loops? Every 101, this inches forward 2 tiles. Am I trying to get them both to line up on the edges? Is that the idea? Get this to equal 103. Um, is it actually minus 21? So if it loops on 103 times 101 minus 21, is it going to be 10382? Is that actually going to be the answer? Okay. I don't know if the comma would have made a difference, but hope it didn't. But So we have vertical on 1091 and horizontal on 1092. But they don't line up. Is it halfway between then? So is it like if this is the point where they intercept this way, what's half? It's going to be like 1050 kind of area. Done. Hello. See, I'm in this situation right now where I know this happens every 103 steps, and this happens every 101 steps. But they don't ever align. Maybe this had to be data analysis, but I just couldn't find a way to process this data. I can see the vague shape of the tree. How it like moves across the screen horizontally. Yeah, here's the vertical again. And there's a few bit is the horizontal. 1192, 1195. They're always on different. Okay, so let's do a full lap and go. Well, I can't do a full lap, right? Because I don't actually have enough in my. Okay. I will do that. Made the mistake of assuming all the robots would participate in building the tree, which costed me a while. Problem says most. Problem is I don't know what it would look like or how to be able to define it, right? So like. No, for fuck's sake. There we go. Okay, we'll give it a moment. Gotta put all of that into its RAM so we can load it all directly. It's not happy about it. Okay, I did see a thing that said minus 21. I just want a sanity check right now. Oh, is there a limit to how much you can print out? Does the console break? Oh no, I just want to. Hope it doesn't break because I need to get slightly over 10,000. I had 10,000 written in, but I need to go a little bit above 1,300, 1,401. Nope, 1,403. That's what I need. 1,403. It does go. Okay, it goes to 9,999. That's what it had before. It doesn't go all the way to above 10,000, which is what I'm trying to do. That's really annoying. Listen, please, you lost your grip and lost your mind. All's not lost, don't be so blind. Cut your losses, drop the IOUs. I choose. Yeah, I really need this to run. Yo, dog, I heard you like running. Having a bad think. Oh, yeah. It said that the answer would have been 21 as well. So that might also work, which is a pain in the fucking asshole. Okay, so this is 9979. They're 29 apart. 878. $47. They were 28 apart, now they're 29 apart. No, they're 31 apart. 7, 8 is 31. I'm actually pretty sure the answer is. I mean, let's just submit and see if this. Yeah, this isn't the right answer. But I think the answer is going to be like 20 or 21 less than the looping point, which is very annoying. And I have no other way to verify besides just waiting it to fucking work. You did part 2 very lazily. I did part 1. I did really, really well. I thought I did part 1 very efficiently. Well, efficiently, I mean I did it the only way you really realistically can, which is just iterating through. And I did part 2 by iterating through all of them as well. And it does not take that long to iterate through. So multiply modulus. That's exactly what I did. Yep, multiply modulus. Literally the exact same thing. 100% to the nose. Like I showed you if this would fucking open, but it's not. In fact, it's so not opening that I'm gonna have to refresh the page. I was gonna say, oh, it recovered the data you had for 20 fucking. Yep. Okay, let's give it a little bit of thought, a little bit of wait, see what happens. Well, okay. Well, my parts ended up being the same number of lines at 34. That is pretty funny. So my prediction is it's going to be beyond the 100K, somewhere in like the little bit here that we just barely missed it from yesterday. In Canon. I think it's actually going to be like way down towards the bottom here, but so vertical is at 383. 362. 21 difference. $51 before this to $301. Like, it has to be something to do with those vertical bar sections. Like, that's the only thing I can think of that would mean anything. Because, like, that's too perfect of a thing not to have here, right? What the fuck is happening? Fuck, where did I miss it? There it is. Fucking... Right from the top is it? $32. 32 above, 37 below. $10261. Or 259, sorry, it's... Well, this is horizontal, right? This is 103. So, 10259. How much above does it have and below? 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's 33. I think it might have been 33, 37 anyways. I think that might have been 33 regardless, and I just fucked it up a little bit. Okay. I have a hypotenuse. Or not hypotenuse. Oh my god. I just said hypotenuse. I have a hypothesis. So, I'm going to get it to print out just the first and what I think is going to be the last one. It should create a loop. And if it does, then I'm justified in my assumption. Three on the bottom, 3 shifted to the left, then 1 and 3. Oh, it's 4 shifted to the left here. 4 shifted to the left, sorry. Yeah. 1 and 3, and then 1 on the tail end all the way over here. Yep. It does loop after a 1043. So it's less than that. And it has to do with something with these numbers. I have no idea how the fuck to search for this besides just manually. It's 10,000 fucking entries. What am I supposed to do? I'm hoping that I just get lucky and stumble into it. That one picture in literally 10,000. Okay, 4020. This looks like a smiley face star. Wait a moment. These are going to be opposite, but these are going to be the same. That's equals 60. 6141. One more. 6040. Horizontal now? Ah! There it is, 6242. What? Seven. Bit of day 14. You know what I hate? I could code this directly in by detecting for long strings like that. Because I'm only about that. Yeah, if I do a search, that's the next one, and that's it. If there was a string that long, I would just find it. What did you do? I didn't realize what a Christmas tree was going to look like. It could have been a bajillion different things. Well, what I did was I noticed that there were some vertical patterns and horizontal patterns to try finding where they lined up. Here, I realized like, oh, but these don't line up. Why can't I get them to line up numerically? Because they're opposite parity. And then, actually, these are going to be the same parity. These adjacent ones aren't, but these ones are. So I got to find the opposite case. Or like 10K into a file, open with MVP, search for that until you found it. Fuck off. I didn't know that it was going to look like that. I was expecting it to be like a big like I thought it was going to be taking up like most of the area here. It was going to be like a big diagonal line like this or some shit. And I wouldn't be able to find shit with that. So I'm like, why would I bother searching for anything specific when we don't know what the Christmas tree is going to look like? In fact, I think that's probably a bad way of doing it because there should have been a better way of identifying what the tree was going to look like more robustly. But regardless, fucking whatever. Oops, I accidentally tried to resize the window. I tried to grab it and move it, but I accidentally... Here we go. It was a heuristic approach? Yeah, fuck you. Well, I'm done. You feel like you've done that? Yeah, because we didn't know, right? We didn't know how it was going to be done, right? Okay, I just need a second. Oh. I cannot turn on the dolphin one right now because I'm not wearing clothes. So I'm going to close that window just in case. I'm going to close this one just in case, and I will be right back as I'm going to go put on some clothing, and then we can do some sunshine. I'll open it up just so we can have it here. You can watch the lovely animation, and I will do a sunshine run. I'll be right back. I'm also going to stop the stream and then restart it with actually like sunshine as the title. So It'll be a little bit more. I'll see you in like 5-10 minutes.